boys and girls, we just went through the directions for the atlas, and so you have the paper in front of you. You're all set right here. You've got everything you need. But I wanted to do something different today, and Miss Richards and I thought it would be a good idea to go ahead and give you guys the answer keys. So this is how it's going to work. Within your classroom right now, you might have 5 different answer keys spread around your room. Your teachers may have placed them in different spots throughout the room. And when you get done with a section or you get done with a couple of the questions, you can go and find one of those answer spots and go ahead and look at the answers. So let's just say you finished this first part, number 1. You did the first 3 answers. Looks like there's 4 blanks for the first 2 sentences. So you want to check your answers and make sure you're on the right track. So you leave your paper at your desk. You walk over to the answer key area that your crew teacher has set up. You look at the answer key. You say in your mind, I remember we had that, I remember had that, I remember had that, and then you go back to your desk. If you don't have one of those right, you erase it and you go back to the book and you try and find the right answer. You may not bring your worksheet to the answer key area and copy everything down or even check it that way. You have to leave this at your desk, and then you go to the answer key area and you do it from memory and you look, and if something doesn't line up right, you just go back to your desk, use your atlas book, and you figure it out again with your partner. This way you can kind of make sure you're staying on track and you are getting what you need in the right spots. And then at the end of the class, you'll actually have 2 days to do this. So there's no reason to rush. There's no reason to feel like you have to go through it quickly or try and memorize everything on the answer sheet and jot them down. You have time to work. Then when you do that, you will have everything correct at that time, because as you've gone through each section, you have corrected your own work and you have made sure that you found the right spot. Boys and girls, there is a little honor system here because I know you can cheat using this method, but there's really no reason to it. You have 2 days to do this, so oodles of time, and you have a partner, so you have a secondary source, and I want you to learn something. This is meant to learn and to grow and to make some connections with some things. So if you have to go back and reread and look over it and say, oh my gosh, I was on map C and not map D, that's okay. Do it and take the chance to do it. And then when you're done, you'll have everything correct, and you have to turn this in still. Please make sure you turn it in because it is for a grade for participating and doing the directions as we've asked. You can see that my agenda for today is not quite filled in. I just wanted to get on right now and let you know that today your learning target is going to be I can use an atlas to gain more information, and I want you to use the information in the atlas and then correct yourself with the answer key as I've described it for today and tomorrow. Have a great learning session, and I'll be back soon.